have so much fun here in Bohol, actually. Especially yesterday, it's a whole day adventures. But we all finished everything. Yeah. So good thing meron pa kaming extra hours to buy some souvenirs today because our flight is at 9. And then after this, Tagaytay.
There we go.
We will
Next
see you there. Our next destination is Tagaytay. Hope you guys like our videos. Please make sure you follow and share our videos. Check also May Santos Facebook account.
Please follow and like our videos.
There you go. And of course, Diana Marie Santos Facebook account.
Please follow Diana Marie Antonia Santos. Please follow, send star, and subscribe.
And of course, no one else, nobody else, I don't know who. Eugene Guzman in the house. Also follow her at her Facebook account.
What is your Facebook account? Silent mode girl.
Silent mode. But of course, my channel, YouTube account, Mayangko, make sure you subscribe. Click the link below there and subscribe. Follow me also on my Facebook account, Mary Ann Santos Quincy. See you there. Bye Tagaytay. Bye Bohol. See you. Tayo magkano to?
95.
Uy, kamar?
Uy, ako nagpapadil pastillas.
Oo. Walang sample, Teng. Itong eman nyo, 175.
Push card. There's no push card here. Okay guys, last day at Bohol. We are here at Souvenir. This is some of the
Magkano to, Teng?
250, ma'am. Yeah, we will buy the gift.
Ha?
We'll buy the gift.
Yeah.
Hello, what's up?
Hello!
Here, Tatlaya. Biyaya and Barkiros. I love this Barkirons. Or here, the Pokpopal. Okay, let's start shopping.
Classic Emma. Classic Yema pala. Classic Yema.
Kita niyo ma'am, para may discount yun ng 10%.
Ah, okay, okay. Salamat kuya.
Pagpayad niyo, ipagkita niyo.
Okay. Right? Ate, pakibalot mo mabuti to ha. Dadalhin sa Amerika.
Where's Dunkin'? This one? This one? You said you will buy. You buy na. You pay for it. Gusto ko yung malaki. Okay, choose.
Sausawan. At all around sausawan. Ano sarap?
Ay, ito tableya.
How much is the donkey?
It's 320.
Yeah, it's tableya for
320.
Akin.